So I've been getting asked a lot lately, what is my exhaust? And in today's video, I'm going to let you guys know what it is. So, my exhaust that I run on my Civic Type R is the Remus Exhaust with a PRL non-catted downpipe and front pipe. And that's why I get the tone I get. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a couple sound clips of it being absolutely closed and the Remus Exhaust being fully open. The Remus Exhaust has 4 stages, but I'm only going to focus on the extremes. I may give you guys the other 2, it just depends. But so I'm going to start off with the cold start and give you guys some riding impressions. I'm going to try to capture what the exhaust sounds like outside of the car as well as inside of the cabin. So stay tuned for hopefully a good video. Alright, and before we get started, I want to tell you guys something about the Remus Exhaust. If you buy the valve controller that comes with the motor that you can attach to the exhaust, you'll also get a little button that you can control the valves with, and they'll also give you a little adapter that you can plug into the ODB2 port that you can control the Remus Exhaust through an app. But with this little button right here, if it's blue, that means it's fully closed. If it's green, that means it's a fourth of the way open. When it's yellow or orangish like that, that means it's 3/4 open, and when it's red, that means it's all the way open. So now we're gonna go ahead and get on the road, and I'm gonna give you guys a fully open cold start. Okay, so this is the car after it's heated up a little bit, and this is the idle noise, fully open. It's smelly. Step back a little bit so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like in the distance. Is about 15 feet away. Alright, now we're going to switch it over to fully closed. Now I'm going to let you guys listen to the idle while it's closed. And this is about 15 feet away again. Now, before we get into the road portion of this, I want to let you guys know what I recorded that with. I recorded that with an M50 with a Rode mic. Now, that's obviously not the best way to record car audio, obviously, but I'm trying to give you guys a kind of a depiction, not the exact sound of what it's like. There's no way I'm going to be able to fully give you guys the exact sound of what this exhaust sounds like. I can only give you what the camera can give you, and the camera will not give the car justice. Keep that in mind. Now, when I'm recording on the road, I'm going to be using a GoPro for the outside, and I'm going to be using a strap-on GoPro for the inside cabin noise. With that being said, keep that in mind, and just remember, I can only do so much with the audio equipment that I have, but I'm going to do my best. Let's get into it. Alright, this first clip is going to be with the Remus Exhaust all the way closed. That was one of my neighbors. So that is what it sounds like with the exhaust fully closed. As you can tell, it's not too crazy, it's not too abrasive, it's not anything at all. It almost sounds stock, even with me being catless. So that's one thing, that's the main reason why I chose the Remus exhaust, was because I'd have control over my exhaust. I don't have to have crazy neighbors yelling at me and all that. So that was the main reason I chose the Remus exhaust, for the reason you just witnessed. Super subtle, can barely tell that it's aftermarket. All right, now with that being said, let's go ahead and show you guys what it's like when it's fully open. Alright, this is me cruising 40 miles per hour. Drone's not too bad. When you get into the high RPMs, like in the highway though, it gets kind of annoying, not gonna lie. Oh, that was cool. But yeah. Staring hard. All right, I need gas. So yeah, with that being said, that is what the exhaust sounds like fully open. Now I'm gonna fill up and then I'm gonna go home and then I'll go ahead and close out the video once I get back. All right guys, and we're back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think about the exhaust setup that I have. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I feel like exhaust, they're personal preference. You know, it's one of those things. Some people, they like loud exhaust, me personally. Some people like quiet exhaust, you know what I mean? So I just like the ability to adjust it. Let me know what you think of the tone that my car produces. Leave down in the description what your guys' exhaust setup is. What do you guys like to run? How do you guys like your exhaust? Let me know. I'm interested in knowing. It's one thing I like about the Type R. It's you can individualize it. That's the best thing about it. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, another thing. Yeah, go to SyriousMedia.com, 20% off your order, anything. So do that. If you guys have any questions in regards to my exhaust, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to get to them. Later, guys.